Okay, so search smart case. Search case insensitively if the pattern is all lowercase. Otherwise, search case sensitively. I think this is actually a really good option. I don't know why it's not. Well, I guess I know why it's not enabled by default. It may be confusing if you don't know that the setting exists, but I actually find it to be very interesting. So, if you want to search case insensitively, you just search. You search with lowercase, and it's going to search for both lower and uppercase. If you want to search for a particular keyword that has uppercase, then obviously you write it with uppercase. So if we set this to true and we search for, I guess, logger with a capital L, nothing shows up. Well, I guess I guess that if you want to search, if you want to make a case sensitive search and the search you want to do is lowercase, then it shows everything. But usually what I want to do is either I want to search everything and I make it lowercase, or I want to search for uppercase specifically. So I'm actually going to leave this one set to true.